and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are just going to be doing my December buys. I didn't buy as much this month just because obviously it was Christmas and that came first, so yeah, it's not a big haul as big as my last month's, but I still bought some good stuff for some tutorials which I'm really looking forward to do. So let's jump straight into this video. So for the first thing I'm going to show you is I bought this off someone on a sale page on WhatsApp. It is the Urban Decay Stoned palette, which is stunning. I filmed this like twice before. Basically my camera died, so I had to come back and refilm it, but I said, oh, so there's a lot of shimmers in this palette, so I'm going to have to bring in another eyeshadow palette, but just for these shimmers I thought it was definitely worth it. They look stunning and I know a lot of people raved and loved this palette, so definitely going to use this in a tutorial at some point in the next couple of weeks, so watch out for a tutorial. And then I bought the Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette by Too Faced, which looks also very stunning, and my plan is to compare this year's my plan is to film this year's Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette to the last year's. So it looks like this. So I want to compare the two. I bought this Dazzling Glitter set from You Can Be, and you guys can see the swatches on the back of my hands. It's just I filmed this before and my camera died, so I'm just refilming it because I don't know where I last picked up. So I used the shade Diamond Crush there, then I used Gold Foil, and then I used this really cool one called Dark Night. And I was saying that these remind me of the Urban Decay Perversion liner, so I'm definitely going to do a testing video using these. And I've also got the P. Louise Black base, so that might be really nice on the top. So we're just going to test that out in the video, so again watch for that video coming up. And then I got also the You Can Be Fruit Pie filling. I know Tammy from YouTube, Makeup by Tammy did a look using this, so I really want to test it out and do quite a fun look with it. Also I thought, because not a lot of people use colours every day, I know I personally don't, so I thought this might be like, if you can get it a fun colourful palette for cheap, then I thought that would be a good idea. I think this is £12. I also picked up and I swatched, but the swatches have rubbed off now because I'm wearing like a jumper, but I bought the Kaleidoscope You Can Be highlighter palette. It's like 9 shades. I love the packaging, by the way. I think that's super cool. As you can see, I have swatched it, but it looks like this. So I will be testing these out. When I swatched it, they were quite crumbly, so I'm intrigued to see how they perform on this on where I highlight. I don't know why my words are so like mashy today. And then I also picked up for Huda Beauty melted shadows. So I picked up Private Jet and Shimmering Sunset. And then I picked up Silk Bomber and Bubblegum. And then I picked up Hot Sauce and Cherry Soda. And then I also picked up Pink Champagne and Bubble Bath. So if I can, I'll have, but I have 8 of these now. I don't know how many there is, but I do want to collect them all, and I am going to be doing like a look with some of these at some point. I did wear Bubblegum and Silk Bomber on Christmas Day and I really liked it, and the shimmer lasted all day, so I will be testing these out in a video, so watch out for that. And I will be doing I'm going to create like a week's worth of Too Faced. I'm going to do a week's worth of Huda Beauty, or like a few days testing all her palettes that I have, and then all these at some point, so watch out for that. I have a lot of videos planned for 2020. And then I also picked up by Huda I picked these up from one of Alex Kate's Patreon. She'd only swatched these and was selling them for like a really good price. I couldn't say no. So these are her liquid matte lipsticks, but the mini ones, and these are in the nude shades. So it is Bombshell, Venus, Muse and Wifey. And I'm really intrigued because I have got the dark brown one, but that's the only Huda ones I have. So these will definitely tell me whether I need to pick up the full size ones or whether I can just leave it, or whether I need to pick up some more shades as well. And then I also picked up loads of Colourpop single shadows. So I picked up Shook Up, which you guys can see there. Picked up Snooze. So it's like a massive bundle again by one of Alex Kate's Patreons. Seventh Heaven. This one's like a duo one, Miss and Bliss. Some of them were smashed. Obviously I'm going to have to repress them, but when they came they were well packaged, but Hermes or whoever delivered it, Above the Clouds, clearly wasn't careful with the package. And then Millennium. I'll just show you like a few of them. Rest More. I will be doing like a look with these, and then I think the last, I'll show you like a few more. So I'll show you these last three. Moon and Swoon. Nix and Nox. And then Dawn and Fawn. So as you can tell, that was everything that I bought in December. I didn't buy a lot, obviously it was Christmas, so the money went on buying Christmas presents, which is fine. I thoroughly enjoyed my Christmas. But yeah, guys, I've ordered quite a big thing with Boz Beauty. They're on TikTok and she's also on Instagram. I will link her website down below. Watch out for a haul on them. I do have quite a lot of her stuff already, but she did like a restock on some new things. So I bought quite a few things off her new launch, which doesn't ship out until like the 4th. So I was like, oh well, instead of just including it in my December buys, I will just do an own haul on that. So watch out for that, and I will be testing out. I ordered some lipsticks, I ordered some more pigments, I think I ordered some liners, so watch out for a video on that. And I also have loads of her pigments, so I want to use a lot more of her pigments on my channel. So yeah, watch out for all that. I will see you guys in my next video. Obviously, if you've enjoyed this, or if you want me to use any of these shades, please let me know. It helps me out a lot, because obviously it puts out the content that you guys want to see. So yeah, give this video a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!